Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Shaney Boy here with another hiking adventure. Let's go. The Platte River appears to be higher than normal. Sure is nice out today. Got a nice breeze. You can hear the wind blowing through the cottonwood trees. You can also hear the interstate over there, but you gotta try to tune that out. I wish I would have been recording, because there were just two deer right here. And I scared them off. And they scared me. That was pretty neat though. I know I said before that it's a nice day and we have a nice breeze, but I'm quite warm right now. Got frogs jumping in the water. Not real sure which way I'm supposed to go. We're just gonna go this way. I'm not entirely sure, but I think this trail is blocked by this tree that has come down. So it doesn't look like, you know what, we're going to try it anyway. Parkour. I just came across this sign. So yeah, I'm not real sure where to go from here. I guess that's the way we go. It happened again. Scared off a deer. It also scared me. Once again. another new trail under construction sign. It appears that we have hit a roadblock, unfortunately. I'm not going to go through this water. Can't go around this way. I'm not going through there. So I'm going to start heading back. I'll see if there's any other trails I can get on or discover. They used to have a bunch of trails out in that field, but if you look now very closely, I don't know if you'll be able to see it there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. There's a buffalo right there. So we probably don't want to go in there. Don't want to make anyone angry. It's best to stay on this side of the fence. It's been a couple years since I've been out here. Out at the Crane Trust Nature and Visitor Center. I've been here. I've done one or two videos here before. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been here. A couple of years, I think. They've been working on changing things a bit. Kind of excited to see what's in store for us. So here's where we came out of the wooded area. There's another gate here warning us of the danger on the other side. Instead of going back in here, I'm going to stay out here this time. Out in the open. I'm approaching the bridges again, which is kind of where this little adventure started. Instead of going back on the bridge, we're gonna head this way, see what we can find. So after continuing walking for a while, we've made it right by this this highway over here. I think we can go this way. We certainly don't want to cross the fence. Would not end well for me. I'm assessing the situation, trying to decide if I want to go around this, try to go around it, I don't know. I don't really want to walk through this. But I'm curious about what's over there. Maybe this side would be a little easier to get by. Yeah, it's wet down there. Real wet. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go that way. Okay, it's wet over here too. So, since I'm not wanting to get wet, I'm just going to turn around and head back. On the plus side, I've not found a single tick on me. I don't know if it's late enough in the season to where they're not a problem anymore, or if I've just been getting lucky. Yeah, no ticks. Back on the bridge, I've noticed an abundance of dragonflies today. There are just so many of them flying around everywhere. Hopefully eating up all the mosquitoes. Alright, I think that about does it for this adventure. If you like this type of video, leave a like. Maybe even consider subscribing, because I do this kind of thing a lot. Check back soon. Thanks for watching.